Hey guys, Dustin Medlin here with Keller Williams Diamond Partners, and I'm over here at 9210. What is this? East 83rd Street. Over here in Raytown again, looking at a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. It is, as you can see, on a fairly busy street of 83rd, but has an awesome backyard, so we'll take a quick look at it. So here's the front of the house. It looks like it has maintenance-free siding along. Roof looks good, gutters are intact, siding's in good shape. There's the service entrance. It's got a circle drive, which you would need because of the traffic. I don't know whose cars are parked in here, but the home is empty. There's a great big tree to this side of it that they built a deck around. Some fresh concrete here where they poured some stairs down here to this bottom area. Oh, and here's like a sub-basement where the laundry is, as well as the hot water heater. So that's kind of interesting. It's around the side of the house, so you'd have to go around. Not ideal. Deck up above, huge backyard, as you can see. There's the central AC unit. Here's the neighbor's house, good sized house. These are all big lots along here. Looks like there's a creek that runs down back through there. And I just came from the inside of the house too. It's definitely an interesting layout, to say the least. It's got a small kitchen. We'll run in there and take a quick look so you can see. We've redone some of the floors and stuff in here. That's laminate flooring that they have, and the windows are in decent shape. Smells like fresh paint in here, so it's got some fresh paint. But here's one bedroom, right? And it's fairly small, but it does have a walkout to the deck and wood floors. Here is the one and only bathroom. It has a window in the shower. Yellow tile on the wall, not the best color. But here's what I mean about the kitchen. So you've got a set of cabinets there, and that's it. No other cabinets. Got the windows here. I mean, I would certainly at least put some built-ins right there, and maybe some lowers, uppers and lowers right there in that corner. To add some more cabinet space, you would still have enough room for a small table to put right there. Or you could put your table over here actually, too, in this corner. Kind of this breakfast sun type room. As you can see, that's where they put the refrigerator. So, moving back around through the home. Bedroom number 2. Freshly painted. Bedroom number 3. And I wonder if this maybe used to be a garage that they converted. You can tell that window's new. Maybe it was a 2-car garage and they made it into a 1. I'm not quite sure, but there's another walkout here from this bedroom. This is going to be a closet for here, so this qualifies as a bedroom. And then you have the 1-car garage out here now, which has, funny enough, a BMW parked in it. So, just kind of a strange layout. Again, over here, you're probably going to get $900,000 a month for rent on a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. Drawbacks obviously are going to be the size of the kitchen. There is no basement, and then you got to walk around the outside to do your laundry. Positives are going to be it's got a huge backyard. It's got a nice deck, but that deck is, you know, it's going to need replaced way sooner rather than later. You can see, which is that. I mean, that would be expensive to replace this deck. It goes all the way around the house. So yeah, that's kind of this one. I wondered when looking at the pictures, and that's why we come look at them, folks, because the pictures on the listings aren't always as well. A lot of times they're better than when you come in and look at the house. So that's this one.